Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Catamoto token. Ticker symbol is CATA. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. Now this token is on the Basechain, Coinbase's blockchain. This is a meme token, but also a utility token that supports Catapult, a launchpad platform for meme tokens. So it's more than just a meme. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So if you're looking to find the statistics on this token, like the price, you want to look at the chart, the market cap, holders, all that type of stuff. You can find this token listed on, you can find it on what am I talking about? You can find it on Dex Screener, and you can find it on Dex Tools. It actually looks like it is cross-chain here. I do see a base contract address, but then I also see a pancake swap contract address. So that's interesting on the Binance Smart Chain. And the Catamoto token is actually trending #1 in the BSC section on Dex Tools right now. That's interesting as well. They have a really big market cap. So on the Basechain, I'm looking at it on Dex Screener. It says they have a $12.6 million market cap. And $12.6 million is also their fully diluted valuation. And the first security measure I can see that's really good here is that they have $995,000 in liquidity in Uniswap. And it says here on Dex Screener, right beside liquidity, there's a lock button. You can click on that, and it says 97.39% of the total liquidity is locked, and you can verify that on Team Finance as well. And basically, this pair was created on Uniswap 5 days, 4 hours ago. And they have a quick Intel security audit, and they have a Go Plus security audit. And it says their buy and sell tax is only 1%. Tax is not modifiable. No hidden owner. No honeypot. No mintable tokens. No blacklist. No whitelist. No proxy contract. All that good stuff. There's one warning here on the quick Intel security thing, and it just says hidden owner. But for some reason it says no on Go Plus Security, that there's no hidden owner. So it's weird that they have one conflicting thing on there. But otherwise, besides that one conflict, everything else is checked off as good. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting tomorrow, May 12th at 9 o'clock UTC time, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search CATA, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their webpage is at catamoto.cat, over there you could, there's a button to buy, tokenomics, partnerships, bridge, and catapult. And then they also have a DEX tools link, GitHub, Twitter, Telegram, all sorts of links there. Now their Telegram can be found at Catamoto, pretty straightforward. 29,015 Telegram members. A lot of community members, 1,855 of them are online. It says in the depths of the BNB chain, so it is cross-chain, digital realm lurked Catamoto, the true mastermind behind Bitcoin's creation. So it's supposed to be like Satoshi Nakamoto, but it's Catamoto, of course. And yeah, it says cats rule the world. 3 steps to get to know the project. Number 1 is the memeonomics. Cata is changing the rules of meme coins by using superior cat math to create the most advanced smart contract in the world. Number 2, my cat boys. The Illuminati, the mysterious cat group that secretly rules the world. And number 3, Catamoto 4, mastermind of Illuminati, unless high on catnip, is a real genius. So we got basically, it says 95% of the tokens go to the cat community, 5% to the woof woof KOLs, 100% TGE, 100% unsold tokens burned. So it says 99% massive lifelong buybacks, 1% started liquidity. That's where the funds go, basically. And yeah, so it's on PancakeSwap. You can get it on Uniswap on the Basechain. They show you step-by-step how to use PancakeSwap and bridging Base to use Uniswap and all that type of stuff on their webpage. They have partnerships with Ape Terminal, Bluezilla, BSC Pad, Oxbull, and then tons more. Insane amounts of partnerships on there. They have a meme generator on their webpage where you can generate some Catamoto memes. Yeah, trending number 1 right now on DEX tools in the BNB section. They're on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. It says they have 14,500 holders on the BNB chain. And then I was looking at their base scan, and their base scan says 1,850 holders, 18 decimal places. So yeah, they're doing very well basically across the board. And now they're getting this brand new big central exchange listing tomorrow. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC global one where this token will be listed. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.